distinguished guests, respected teachers, and my fellow students. Today, we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion, a day that holds great significance in the history of our nation. On this glorious Independence Day, we commemorate the spirit of freedom, unity, and the relentless pursuit of our collective dreams. It is a day that fills our hearts with pride and reminds us of the sacrifices made by those who fought valiantly for our freedom. As we stand here, in the warmth of this patriotic gathering, let us reflect upon the struggles and triumphs that have shaped our great nation. We are fortunate to live in a land that champions diversity, upholds equality, and embraces the power of democracy. Our nation's journey has been marked by the tireless efforts of visionaries, activists, and leaders who believed in the power of change and the strength of unity. Today, as we raise our flags high and sing our national anthem with passion, let us renew our commitment to the values that make our nation strong. Let us stand together as responsible citizens, ready to shoulder the responsibilities that come with our freedom. It is our duty to protect the rights and liberties bestowed upon us, to nurture the harmony that binds us, and to strive for progress and prosperity for all. As students, we are the torchbearers of the future. Let us embrace the power of education, for it is through knowledge that we can truly transform our society. Let us foster a culture of inclusivity, empathy, and respect within our schools and communities. By doing so, we lay the foundation for a brighter and more united tomorrow. On this Independence Day, let us not only celebrate our nation's achievements but also remember the challenges that lie ahead. Let us stand strong against ignorance, intolerance, and injustice. Let us be the agents of positive change, spreading the light of knowledge and understanding. In conclusion, as we come together to commemorate this remarkable day, let us cherish the freedom we enjoy and strive to make our beloved nation even better. May the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity guide our actions and inspire us to build a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you all for being here today. Jai Hind.